It's Amy Lee. Come read with me. I've got Daylight, Starlight, Wildlife. Written by Wendell Minor. Oh. Right? These colors are very nice in this book. This is beautiful. Okay, you ready? Daylight, Starlight, Wildlife. The sun shines on earth, bringing the light and warmth of day. Do you know these daylight visitors? The earth spins away from the sun, bringing darkness and cool of night. Do you know these starlight visitors? Okay. See, the daylight visitors, you know those are deer and bunny and turtles. And then the nighttime visitors. So you got owl and a skunk, bugs, possums. By day, sharp-eyed, red-tailed hawk soars in the sky and scans the earth for food. In the stillness of night, wide-eyed, barn owl silently swoops through the sky. At dawn, fluffy cottontail rabbit and her kits hop into the field and hold still till all is safe. At night, pink-nosed possum plods through the field and forages for food with her family on her back. There's a bunny. See how they stay still? Because they're scared. They gotta stay still, make sure it's safe. And so does this person, and so does this possum at night. That possum has babies, right? Mommy's gotta take care of her babies. Bright tiger swallowtail butterfly floats and flutters in the summer sunshine. Named for the moon, luminous Luna moth, only comes out at night. So we've got a moth-like day creature and a moth-like night creature. But they can't come out at the same times. They come out at different times. Graceful white-tailed deer finds her fawn hiding in the flower-filled field. On a frigid night, crafty red fox carefully listens, then crouches and quickly pounces. So we got daylight, starlight, right? Chubby mother woodchuck and her cubs waddle out to munch in the meadow. Fearless mother skunk leads her litter through the field to find a midnight snack. Now, did you notice it says the skunk has a litter? So that's what they called that batch of babies. But I noticed that they called a deer's baby a fawn. So that's a deer baby. See, all different names. Different names for different things. And the woodchuck's babies are cubs. Speedy gray squirrel scurries all day in search of acorns for the winter, to store for the winter. And flying squirrel glides carefully from tree to tree through the starlight night. See how they're alike? They're a bit alike, right? And one guy has a bigger fur situation. He makes it into a flying thing. It's awesome. Brightly colored box turtle shuffles through the tall grass, searching for slugs and snails and strawberries. Warty toad will stick out his sticky tongue to slurp down a nighttime meal of moss. What do you know? So this guy, he eats strawberries. I never had a pet box turtle. Maybe you have. You feed them strawberries, and then this guy eats flies and moss. And small striped chipmunk perches on a pumpkin to fill his cheeks with goodies from the garden. Sprightly deer mouse scampers down a log and finds a firefly. So we got this guy right here, okay? He looks a lot like this guy, right? They come out at different times. They look a lot alike. One comes out in the day and one comes out at night. As the sun rises, stealthy bobcat and her kitten scope out the summer landscape. Okay, now we've got a bobcat's baby's called a kitten. We've learned a lot already. We got babies' names galore. On a winter's night, clever coyote howls beneath the stars to call to his pack. He looks like a dog, right? But he's not. He's a coyote. And they come out at night. And they travel in packs, which means that there's a lot of them. Colorful red cardinal welcomes the sunrise with a sweet song. As night falls, the song of the brown-eyed barrel owl fills the forest. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So this guy is up bright and early, chirping away, and this guy, he does his stuff at night. Daytime, nighttime. As our world turns from night to day, critters, big and small, come and go. While you're resting, are raccoons racing by under cover of the night? Who knows what the light of morning will bring? Look and listen. What a wonderful wildlife is visiting you. So we got a raccoon. We also have there some turkeys. Well, there you have it. On the back of this, it's going to give you lots and lots of explanations to each one of these animals. Okay? And that way, when you read your book, you can see what these do. For example, a possum, baby possums stay in their mother's pouch for the first few months, then ride on her back until they're willing to hunt on their own. That's interesting. Cottontail rabbits mostly hop along slowly, but if they're spotted by a predator, they can run up to 18 miles an hour. That's very fast. Barn owls are silent in flight due to their soft, fringe-edged feathers. They have excellent hearing for hunting in the darkest of nights. They're nocturnal, meaning they come out at night. A red-tailed hawk, most common hawk in North America. They like to soar over open fields, and with their very keen eyesight, they could easily spot a mouse while in flight. How about that? Please like and subscribe.